Hi, this is Brian at Imperial Motor Company. Going to take you on a walk around of this gorgeous 2018 Buick Cascada. This is a Sport Touring, soft top convertible. Got a 2-liter turbo, 6-speed automatic. It's an Opel Cascada, Vauxhall Cascada. We all know the deal with where this car came from and everything, but it's a gorgeous car. This one was delivered new in Texas, hence the front plate bracket, and then came down here to Florida. Clean CARFAX, pretty well serviced throughout its history, and we just got it in, so we're going to run it through service and get it ready to go. But it's been detailed and she's clean and looking nice. You do have some brush touch paint chips on the hood that someone had touched up. This does have the adaptive xenons, 20-inch diamond cut wheels with a special contrast black pockets. That's part of the dark effects package in the Sport Touring kit. Do have a little bit of rub on the lower rocker there, parking lot type damage. LED tail lamps. You push the tri-shield to open up the trunk. That's the space you have with the trunk down. The seats do split fold as well, which is a rarity with convertibles. You do have the wind split there as well. I'll show you one of them folded. You have some curb rash on the wheels. So there you go. The seats do split fold to get you into the trunk and offer a lot of cargo space. Oh, there you go. Smooth and quiet, turbo, no issues. Everything works on this car, all the lighting, all the electrical options, the top, of course, the seatbelt presenters. It's a really, really nice car. They didn't sell too many of them. Dual 10-way power seats, both sides, with 4-way power lumbar. See all the contrast red stitching. This one's at 129,388 on the miles. Now the rear lamp, we are replacing it. Some of the LEDs are out, so that lamp unit is on order. Here's your camera. Electrochromic rear view. Dual zone climate control. This one has the heated steering wheel. It does have the forward collision alert. Cruise, of course, Twilight Sentinel, rain sensing wipers. This has lane departure as well. Really, really nice setup. Forward and reverse sonar. Show you the top. Top you can raise or lower going up to 30 miles an hour, which is pretty cool. You don't have to come to a full stop and be that guy. It's all electric. Just to hold the button down. There you go. Take it for a quick spin. 205 or so horsepower. It's not the quickest car on the planet, but it's a comfortable car. It does have the Hyper Strut, which is the high performance damping strut that dials out pretty much all the torque steer. You really don't feel any. You do have about 220 foot-pounds of torque, I believe, and this does go into overboost to give you a little more horsepower and torque for a little bit. And inside, it's a triple layer top. It's very quiet and very smooth. You know, this isn't, it's not an M3 convertible, but it's not supposed to be. It's not supposed to be a Mustang either. This is just a nice, comfortable cruiser. And this one's priced right because of the mileage, which is nothing to be afraid of with a Buick, especially an Opel-sourced Buick. It does use the 2-liter Ecotec. That's everywhere. 6-speed automatic. That's everywhere. There's really not too much of this car that's bespoke mechanically that's hard to service. But you got a lot of nice convertible for the money. Again, let us know if you have any questions. 727-264-8390, Imperial Motor Company. Thank you for taking a look. Have a good day. See ya.